I will ask him how the regulatory point of view, the EPR and recycled content is evolving, and being a part of chairman of FSSI, what are the latest regulatory compliances to maintain the safe food packaging material and especially safety concern of recycled content?
For last 2 days, the injection molding, blow molding, PET, those who are not even the learner like me have learned a lot from the industry experts here. That as what is my understanding about this material we call is the PET. Yeah, PET is a good material when we talk about the recycling, and it was demonstrated that making a jacket like this, the fiber made of a PET fibers, that was a wonderful. But I really see the opportunity with the PET, such a wonderful material, as far as this class of commodity products are, polymers are concerned, that because of its barrier properties. So it's really a good, very good candidate to go into the food packaging where we really need a stringent food for stringent food packaging applications. So this gives a great opportunity to the food packaging industries that to bring this material, though it can be recycled and used for a different product, but also very good product for as far as precision food packaging are concerned, because of oxygen transmission rate is significantly lower, water vapor transmission rate is lower, and carbon dioxide too. Now, we all understood that this is a good material, it can be processed. And if you're really going to talk about the regulatory point of view, we already have draft notifications published, and it says that as far as you manage the residual contaminations as per the prescribed limit, we have this kind of a material for its applications. That's there. But now the concern used to go when we are going for a recycling of PET, whether it is going to be mechanical recycling, hybrid recycling, or the chemical recycling. Why?
For example, in home care segments, packaging used for applications such as detergent, toilet cleaners, and multi-purpose cleaners, most brands are already shifting toward using 30% to 70% PCR. On the other hand, for more sensitive application in personal care for body lotion, body wash, and shampoo packaging, PCR is being incorporated through multi-layer blow molding technology.
Okay.
Our target is to soon develop HDPE and PPPCR with food grade certifications. Whereas in RPET, FSSAI certification is available, and large brands have started incorporating the same in their packaging, leading to a greater proportion of their plastic consumption being RPET. However, it is true that evaluating PCR for each product and application is a complex process. It is a new challenge for every industry and comes with significant technical and operational hurdles. But we are committed to work along with brand owners to ensure technical and commercial success for the required application. There are some more important challenges to consider. Supply of post-consumer scrap material can be inconsistent, and prices may fluctuate depending on demand and material availability. Even though we have been able to develop PCR, which is close to virgin material, PCR plastic may not always perform exactly like virgin material. There
What are the breakthrough you are suggesting for chemical and mechanical recycling for molding industry?
And what happens with us is recyclers hand us a puzzle, which is an unpredictable arpit, and brands wants us to deliver a masterpiece, which is a flawless preform. So this is like, we have been given recycled flour to make a cake, and a Michelin star is breathing down our neck. So that's the challenge which we face. I will take a clue from Bharat Bhai, our industry stalwart, who always talks about Gabbar and Samba when he does his talks. Bharat Bhai and everybody here. So the Gabbar movement of industrial revolution was once when Henry Ford said that you can have any color as long as it is black. In the PET line today, the Samba would say, "Arey Samba, kuch bhi chalega but safed or transparent chahiye." So we are stuck. Now whether it is the Ford's line of the automotive or it is the PET recycling line, the ultimate winner is the public, which is the Thakur. So brands के अपने सपने, recyclers के अपने standard, और हम converters बीच में बने हुए हैं शाहरुख खान सबको खुश करने के लिए. तो यहाँ हम फंसे हुए हैं. So giving this brief context, I'll address the question which Professor put to me, that how does mechanical and chemical recycling advancements help us preform molding or the molding industry today? I think a lot of this has been explained, so I'll keep it brief. So when we talk of mechanical recycling, a lot of advancements has happened. The advances in SSP standards, these enable very tight IV controls, which is very, very critical for bottle grade. The high advanced decontamination technologies are enabling color value, better color values, low AA levels, which are again very critical for deliverance of the bottle grade standard.
And should have some strong message to the audience. Thank you. Please.
Thank you, Professor. Yeah, this is certainly a right question at the right time where majority of the industry is moving towards circularity. At Sri Chakra, we certainly process all these types of recyclable materials like PET, HDP, and PP. Also in PET being the first mover to get the bottle-to-bottle recycling and food-grade compliant resins and commercially supplying. We do find a lot of, we did experience a lot of challenges with respect to material, especially in qualifying them in injection and blow molding processes. Of course, there are, if you just broadly look at them, there are 4 challenges that we need to address: odor, color, and mechanical strength, and the food compliance, regulatory processes. Obviously, odor. The moment we imagine recycled materials, odor comes to mind because the feedstock is not from the crude or not extracted from the monomers. Rather, it is processed, and the post-consumer waste is processed to make the recycled granules, and there are products leached into them, and also different product applications getting in the mixed form. It is very crucial to sort them pre and post the washing, and thereby also filtering them to ensure the contaminants are removed, and also deodorizing them to control the odor. So we are able to do that at a great extent. And the second one is the color. Obviously, the feedstock is in the mixed form. They are pre-colored, and when these are going for to any application, the color becomes one challenge to control and address. Obviously, this needs to be controlled by targeting the right feedstock for the right application, and also establishing the right color standards at the time of qualification, and also in process controls by monitoring the color values, and also having a little bit of I would say limit approval with the brand owners.
Invernizzi, Ambriogo Invernizzi, Global Product Manager Mechanoplastica Group, Mr.